Sandwiches come in many shapes and sizes, and lots of us like different types of sandwiches. And there's always a specific way of making our own sandwich. So why don't we add a little bit of a computer twist to this? Let's see if you can make an algorithm for your favourite sandwich. So the first thing we need to do is get our ingredients. You need to get your bread, your butter, your fillings, and your sauce if you would like one. And here's the computer twist. Can we use coding blocks to write the instructions for making the sandwich? So algorithms and instructions are very similar. We've spoken about this before. What blocks could we use to make these sandwiches? The emotion? The look? What do you think it would be? So most of them would be motions. What is the first starting block that we should use? Let's see if you got it right. Brilliant. We always start with the yellow-orange events block. So the block we're starting with is when I receive go. And now I need to think about my bread, because the bread is the first thing that I need to add. So I need to pick up my piece of bread and I need to move it to my chopping board. What's the next thing I need to do? That's right, I need to butter my bread. So I need to spread butter onto the slice of bread. Pause the video here. Can you write the last few bits of code for finishing making the sandwich? Don't forget my ingredients were ham, cheese, and then some sauce. The order that I made my sandwich was to use ham first, then put on the cheese, then to spread some of my sauce onto my bread, and then put my last bit of bread on top. So let me build up my code for you to have a look at. I pick up a slice of ham, I drop it onto the buttered bread, I pick up a piece of cheese, I drop that onto the ham and bread, I pick up a slice of bread, and I spread the sauce onto the bread, and I drop it onto the cheese and ham and bread. And here we have our finished algorithm. So it's basically like a set of instructions when you're making any kind of food. Why don't you have a go at making one about your favourite sandwich? You could also do one about making a tea or brushing your teeth. What other day-to-day algorithms could you write? Maybe as a challenge you could see if your instructions work by acting it out like a robot. So do exactly what the instruction says, or even get an adult to do it. Could be a very